So today I'm going to show you how you can make over $46,000 using the very simple Amazon KDP mindful patterns, also known as mandalas or any pattern that you want. I'm going to show you how you can do all the interiors and everything. So let me start with the overview of what we're going to do. So this is the mindful patterns, as you can see. As you can see, it's very beautiful. And the back, let me just zoom in on it. You can see the back. The back is also looks cool. So the front is here, the back, and I'll show you how you can do all of this. Let me just close this and read on the sample. So it's this is the interior. Some mandala pattern, subtle coloring book. This book belongs to. It's very simple thing. So this is also a mandala. It's very simple mandala, and this book is making over $40,000 per month. So let's see how to make this right now. So you just close this, and I just go to, as you can see, I started with my own. So let me just go to the home page. So I'm on the Creative Fabrica Studio. So this is the very first Creative Fabrica Studio editing tool. So it's more like Canva, but more upgrade and more everything. So they just start with by creating a new design. By the way, you can create anything that you want here, like party flyers, in the graduation, invite cards. So I digress. Let's go. Add a new design. Just click on inches, 8.5 and by 11 inches. So its orientation is vertical, yeah. So divide, divide is just basically the quality. So just standard and just create a new design. So this is the front page, yeah. Let me just close this because it's blocking the view. So all you have to do is go to this thing called Spark AI. Spark AI. You're just gonna click on this, right? So as you can see, I just stated the mandala current pages, but we're just going to give it a prompt, yeah. So from the Spark AI, I don't like to use this one because it gives me a distorted result, but I like this one. So the middle one, this one, this one, this one, this is the middle one, yeah. You can use this one for generating image, the free text and background removing, but we don't need all of that right now. So just Spark AI and it's the middle one, yeah, for generating images. So we want a portrait from this vertical portrait, so 9 by 16. So 9 by 16. So I just experimented with the children's coloring book. So this is a prompt, by the way. This is a prompt. It's very simple. All you have to do is call man mandala. Just say mandala, right? That's it. And before you click on create image, just click on this coloring, just coloring, and it automatically adds the coloring page black and white. Okay, it's very important. So just click on this and just create image. So after a while, it's going to stop like this. This means it created. So how do I know that? You just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. So I don't know which is which, by the way. It's created so many. So I think this one is right. This one or just coloring page black and white. Let me just click on this. When you just click on it, it will come on your design like this. Yes. So you just click on. You just press on the option button if you are on Mac and Alt button if you are on Windows. Just maximize it like this, and that's it. You finished page number one. By the way, this is very important because you can use other image generating softwares, like there are many right now. For example, like Midjourney. AI is perfect, but it's not too perfect. Yeah, the perfection comes from not being perfect. So this is, it looks like a human made, which is what we want, right? This is very, very important because Amazon likes that thing. It's a human touch. So you can see this. So what you do is, if you are, by the way, I know I'm digressing a little bit, but when you publish a book, just make sure you choose the bleed type. Okay, the bleed type, because if you choose no bleed, it will reject your book when you upload. So just make sure you just click on the click on the no, or click on the option of no bleeding. Okay, so once you finish this, all you have to do is share and download, and you do like this 50 times or 70 times with different results, right? And you have yourself a book. So you can just, after a while, after you finish all this, or before even you start, you can just click on the text, and you can add text like this. You can add text like this, and this coloring book belongs to, or anything like that. Mandala, just write this like um, coloring. By the way, I'm using my just one hand. That's right. So it's mandala coloring. You can even hold shift, or not shift, just option, and you just drag this and it will copy it. As you can see, yeah, coloring. So you can use this as a front, at the front of the page, or you can just close this one, and let's just generate the cover for this. So as always, just mandala coloring book, but not black and white or anything. For the coloring page, just close this, use the illustration one, or you can even use watercolor, but let's just use the illustration or the painting. You just go with the painting and just click on the create image. So again, after it finishes, let me just scroll down, and unfortunately didn't come up with it. So let's just start with, let's just tell it otherwise, or just maybe remove this, can, yes, this text history. So that's why it's going this way. It's just with again with 96 and illustrations mandala. Just current page. Forget about the current page right now, and click on painting or watercolor or illustration. The light illustration. I think it's finished. Yeah, like this. Yeah. I don't like this one, but let's just change the illustration to a different thing, like painting. That's illustration, the painting, right? Let's see how what it comes up with. So this means it finished. So as you can see, it's very good. You can work on this. Let's just try this again and again. But you get the point, right? They just click on the hyperrealistic and just close on the painting and let's just transform this to something that we can use. Okay, come on. But you get the point, right? So this is how you create a mandala coloring page that sells. Okay. After you finish all of this, you just share this and just download this. So that's how you do this. So you just go to studio.creativefabrica.com, or you can find the link down below. It's an affiliate link, but you can just search on Google and you can find Creative Fabrica Studio however you want. Okay. So this is how you make money with Amazon KDP by loading mandala coloring pages just easily. Okay. So I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.